What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy D-Gil coming at you guys with another unboxing. Today we're going to be looking at the Jordan 1 SB Desert Ores. Let's get into it. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I love the channel so much. If you guys have noticed, I've been picking up a ton of Jordan 1s. This is my second pair of Jordan 1 SBs though. Let's kind of see how they look. They are the Desert Ores, and I've never seen these in person. I ended up getting these for a super good deal off of eBay. Let's see if I can get this open. Alright, now that that's open, that was taped super good. Newspaper. Set all that to the side. Alright, so like I said, I got these off of eBay. I ended up paying, I think, around $117 for these, which is a super steal in my opinion. He did already cut them though, so that's kind of why I got them so cheap. He said he didn't cut through the leather on any of them, but in the picture it looked like he did. Right here, clearly does. But here you guys go. Here they are. They have leathers. Definitely pretty thick. But which is crazy is there's actually more canvas underneath that. Super interesting. I think one thing that'll make it okay that kind of just has a cut, especially the price that I got it at, is that you can kind of customize these and make it have like a distressed look. So I'm gonna see how I'm gonna do that. I just purchased the X-Acto knife off of Amazon, but the bottom is actually not that bad. It comes with like blue laces, a white and a black, and then it has a black in here. Other shoe. Definitely more of my favorite. Sorry, I just got to shower my hair. It's still kind of wet. This is definitely my favorite. I love the UNC. I have the highs and then I have the off-whites. I'm looking to get the SB UNC ones. I think those look super dope. I definitely would like to have pretty much all the UNC ones. I'm not a big fan of the newest ones. I forget what those exactly called, but if it has more of this shade of blue, definitely one of my favorites. I'm gonna try to get the cutting. I don't know if I'm gonna do it in a video because it's gonna take a while. And I'm gonna see kind of some ideas online and see how other people cut it just to see what I can pull from. But I'm definitely planning on getting rid of this toe box. And if you guys stick around the end to see the try, you guys will see what it's gonna finally look like. See how I'm gonna kind of adjust it. And I don't know what laces I'll put in either. I kind of think I might stick with maybe white or both, or maybe throw in a blue and a black. I haven't really decided. Let me know what you guys think. You guys think at $117, even though I had that little cut and a cut on here, was it worth it? And you guys have these, so you guys cut it. Looking into some quick details on the shoe, you can obviously see that the right shoe is the UNC colorway, and then it has all the canvas on top of it. But this is just like the UNC SB lows, exactly the same. The inside has like a unique tongue. You have Nike SB here on the tongue. Of course, your Air Jordan logo on the back. Of course, like I said, everything like the UNC is underneath this. And then when you switch to the left shoe, you're gonna see that it's a royal colorway. And it's pretty much, like I said, just like a royal. You're gonna have the Nike SB right here, of course, in the royal blue. You're gonna have the Wings logo. And then once I get this cut up more, you guys will be able to see. So stick around at the end to see the try on. I hope you guys really enjoyed. I wanted to show you guys this quick unboxing. I know I've been unboxing a ton of Jordan 1 lows. And at this price point, let me know what you guys think. At $117, you guys think this was a steal, or would you guys have passed on it? And like I said, just stick around at the end so you guys see the full product. Hope you guys really enjoy. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. I post a ton of content like Live and Nike Tech. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.